Best thing about the game is having a talented team that no matter what position you play or who comes on, no one switches off.
Or what country you're from.
Or what country you're from. Because this is not a team of different friends and individuals. This is a brotherhood.
Best thing of the game is beating Joe's. We got the job done. Let's go.
Best thing about the game, it's my last ever time playing at Joe's. I gotta make a statement. Let's go.
How good Ethan Manley is.
60-yard bomb to Ethan Manley. You know the rest.
Best thing about the game, watching Ethan Manley score the second goal, then running over to our student section and celebrate with all our friends.
Best thing about the game, Blue Crew.
Blue Crew, they came out ready.
Silencing the crowd. They came out crazy, and at the end, I heard no noise.
It's a great experience, and this is just the beginning. The first goal.
Just the boys staying composed in the atmosphere, stuff like that.
Watching everyone do their job properly. And that's how we do it. That's how we get done 3-0. Celebrating with the team.
Just getting on the field and being able to play. 3-0. 3-0.
Great win, and hopefully we will get the next one. Composure.
3-0. Good win.
Just seeing all our hard work pay off.
Win at their home field, seeing our fans come out, show up for us, just get the job done. We'll go on to the next game.
I'm just proud of the way we're playing right now. We're playing unselfish. We're moving the ball from side to side. And most importantly, we're keeping our composure.